When you are surrounded with fraud people and evildoers and they are always ready to harm you, then by doing Reiki with master symbol Daikomyo, you can get rid of cheaters. Reiki master and power symbol Daikomyo eliminates the blockages on physical, mental and spiritual level. It symbolizes the empowerment, enlightenment, unity and awakening the soul. Reiki third level master symbol Daikomyo is used as power symbol. It is used for psychic surgery and spiritual healing. It is for all-purpose healing. Daikomyo is the knowledge-gaining symbol. It is used in the past life regressions when our present life is disturbed and there is no effect of medical treatment. Then by doing Reiki with Daikomyo, we can find positive results. When we make new relations, relatives, life partner or business partner, then this symbol helps to choose the right person. It energizes and balances our immune system. Reiki power symbols Daikomyo, Reiki third level master symbol has the power of Chokure plus Seiki power symbols. It is for all purpose healing symbol. It works on physical, mental and spiritual level. Before using the Reiki power symbol Daikomyo, you have to draw Reiki power symbols Chokure, Seiki and the distance Reiki healing symbol Honsha Nen. The method is this: draw Chokure above your head, left and right, and say purify, activate and stabilize for 3 times in your mind. Then draw Seiki above your head, left and right, and say 3 times purify, activate and stabilize. Then draw Honsha Nen above your head to create the link between universe, energies and you. Last of all, draw Daikomyo above your head, left and right, and say 3 times purify, activate and stabilize in your mind. Then by making affirmation, you have to repeat in your mind. Affirmation should be positive and in present tense. Affirmation means to make positive sentences linked with your problem. You have not write your problem. You have to say solution has been found linked with your problem. Supposing you are disturbed with some mental problem or depression, then you have to make affirmation, I am doing Reiki with master symbol Daikomyo. I am fully energized, my pain has been vanished. I am feeling surprisingly changes. Now I have got pleasant positive energy and enjoying my life. In this way, you can make affirmation according to your need or wish. You have to do Reiki with affirmation and 10 to 15 minutes and you will be found miraculous results.